Dear moms, this is a sign to take care of yourself too. Self care doesn't have to be something big, it can be something as simple as taking a few quiet minutes to shower, apply a skincare, or slow down just for a moment. Being a mother is one of the most beautiful roles a woman can have, but it's also very hectic. Between caring for our families, managing the home, and showing up for everyone else, it's easy to forget to care for ourselves. These little moments remind us that we are still women outside of our responsibilities. We deserve to feel refreshed, confident, and cared for too. Taking care of our hair, our skin, and our well being is not selfish. It's a way of pouring back into ourselves so we can continue showing up with love and strength for the people who depend on us. Sometimes all it takes is a little lip gloss. A touch of mascara, or brushing your hair to remind yourself that you are still that woman. So, to every mother watching this, take a moment for yourself today. Even if it's just a few minutes, you deserve care. You deserve softness. You deserve kindness too.